This is Head to Head from AutoNation. In this corner, we have the 2019 Nissan Rogue, which you might remember from the Star Wars tie-ins last year. Next, we have the Forester, the compact SUV from Subaru, a brand that spent decades wooing the REI set. It's all new for 2019. So let's look at the powertrains. The Rogue offers a choice of two engines, a 2.5-liter four-cylinder good for 170 horsepower, or a 176 horsepower hybrid unit. All-wheel drive is available in either configuration, and as you'd expect, the hybrid gets the best fuel economy. It delivers an EPA combined rating of 34 for front-wheel drive and 33 in all-wheel drive spec. For traditional models, the numbers are 29 for front-wheel drive and 27 for all-wheel drive. In comparison, the Forester offers a single drivetrain. It's also a 2.5-liter four-cylinder, though at 182 horsepower, it's a hair more potent than the Nissans, and it still matches the front-wheel drive Rogue's 29 mile per gallon EPA combined score. Keeping with tradition, every Forester is all-wheel drive. While it might be a tick slower, standard all-wheel drive without compromising mileage makes the Forester the winner here. Now, let's look inside the cabin. Both vehicles fit 5, and at 185 inches, the Rogue has 3 inches in overall length on the Subaru. That means the Rogue beats the Forester in many interior metrics. For example, the Rogue has roughly half an inch more front legroom, but the gap widens when we start looking at the rear seat, where passengers in the Rogue get 1.5 inches more legroom. Where the Subaru clearly comes out on top is cargo space. With the seats up, the difference is only 0.9 of an inch, but when they're folded, it has almost 6.5 more cubic feet of storage. At the end of the day, this is a tie. Do you want more passenger room or more cargo space? Even more than performance, infotainment tech is commanding attention from consumers, so buyers will appreciate that Apple CarPlay and Android Auto is standard on both models. The responsiveness of the Subaru's standard 6.5-inch touchscreen impressed us, and we liked the fact that features like radio volume and climate controls were handled by knobs. While the screen was half an inch bigger in the Rogue, we found the infotainment system a little less polished than the Subaru's, due largely to some dated graphics. This is close, but we're giving the edge to Subaru. Safety-wise, the Forester comes standard with a pre-collision braking system, lane keep assist, lane departure warning, and adaptive cruise control. But while additional aids like blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, and adaptive headlights are extra on the Subaru, they're standard on the Rogue. Additionally, the Rogue has the option of a 360-degree camera, which provides an aerial view of the vehicle. It's as cool as it is useful. When navigating congested parking lots or squeezing into tight spaces, this tech is certain to lower your blood pressure. The Rogue's impressive list of standard driver aids makes it the winner here. Along with safety, price is obviously key for buyers. The Nissan Rogue starts at $24,920, but if you're looking for all-wheel drive, that'll bump the price up to $26,270, and opting for the hybrid drivetrain will send you to $27,600 before adding all-wheel drive. In comparison, the Subaru starts at $24,295 with symmetrical all-wheel drive standard. For about the same price as an all-wheel drive Rogue, you can upgrade to the Forester's premium trim, which means goodies like a panoramic moonroof, 17-inch alloy wheels, and 4G Wi-Fi capability. From a cost perspective, we're going to hand it to Subaru. The standard all-wheel drive makes it easier to jump up a trim level, and buyers will gain some attractive options. Unfortunately, the only hybrid Subaru currently offers is its Crosstrek PHEV. It's hardly a blowout, but the Subaru wins overall. Ultimately, standard all-wheel drive, solid safety tech, great cargo room, and the brand's go-anywhere reputation made the difference. Obviously, you shouldn't buy a car without a thorough test drive, so if you're deciding between the Nissan Rogue and the Subaru Forester, visit AutoNation.com to find a nearby dealer. Which do you think is the best choice? Let us know in the comments below, and also be sure to subscribe, as we have more head-to-head comparisons coming up. I'm John Coyle, thanks for watching.